Okay, here we are back in the fourth video for the shadow tutorials. As you can see, we don't have now a card, we have a little bit of a twig, and this is what we're gonna do now. If you have this, you have different ways to turn it. Mostly we have those in this way, horizontal way. And what we can do now is the same as in the video 3 I showed you. We have this this shadow. We use here the drop shadow, and I think those 16 by a distance 16, spread 0, size 16, and 35% opacity is just right. We say okay, we go right click here on the FX layer, create layer, and then we have the drop shadow. We press Command T, and now we can also, we start here a little bit twisting. You can see you have this point here in the middle. What you can also do, this little let's make it a little bit bigger for you. You can turn that off. It's a little bit disturbing. So let's twist that, and we can change here the rotation point. Okay, when we place it here, it turns here on this point, but what we want is so that it turns here somewhere in the middle of the twig. So we have here this rotation point, okay? And I think that's nice, okay. So this is the first step. I think that's pretty nice, but also what you can do, press Command T and go to the wrapping tool, and now you can here take this little ends here, and here on those corner points, push it a little bit above, and then you can lift up pretty much more this twig, and it looks so realistic. This is also a way you can use this way of create from a drop shadow a layer shadow. So this was the fourth and last video now for this shadow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see us maybe in some other videos I have on my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can always come and join me at my Artology group, send me messages, whatever. I always try to help me. You can email me. So here I am. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye and have a good time.